came crashing upon down through the back brush. Eyes are bloodshot and your little voice said, I won't blame you now, but I caught your call somehow. Then you jumped right in. Oh,